To install the plugin, upload the zip file here. Configure the common settings, enable coupon box. If you're using multilingual plugin, use this option to display the coupon box in multiple languages. Then, you'll want to set up how to showcase coupon box pop-up. First, select the pop-up trigger option. Then configure its settings, or use the shortcode. And set up some other common settings. Select a default category to store the subscribed email. All subscribed can be categorized by campaign. Go to email campaign settings and create yours here. Then after customer subscribes, their email will go to the selected campaign. If the user is not registered, let them open an account right when they subscribe with this option, and restrict email domains, for example, @gmail.com. Subscribed emails are an email subscribe page. You can offer coupon after customer sign up. Set them up here. Unique coupon option generates unique coupons for each email subscribed. Settings for generated coupons are the same as WooCommerce coupons. Existing coupon lets you choose an available coupon in WooCommerce coupons list. Custom coupon allows you to add a custom coupon code here, or do not offer coupon for subscribing with this option. This settings tab is for notification to customer after subscribing. In the email notification, there will also be content of registered account. If the customer agrees to create a new account while subscribing, fill in the message for their new account here. Edit the email content by adding your own CSS using supported shortcodes, and preview your email template. This function lets you pull the collected emails to your contact list on these email services. They will be useful for your future purpose, like marketing email campaigns. I'll make a test with Sendinblue, which is now Brevo. First, get the API key. After you fill in the API key, save settings. You'll be able to select your contact list here, so the subscribed email will not only be saved in your WooCommerce site, but also be stored in this contact list. We'll see an example. I used this email address. After subscribing, the email is in the backend, and also in my contact list of Brevo. However, the subscribed emails before you enable this settings will not be synced to email platform by default. In that case, you need to add them manually. For instance, Brevo supports importing contacts via CSV file, so you can export it in our plugin. And import the file to your contact list here. And that would be it. This function keeps your subscription form spam-free and ensures the quality of collected email addresses. Enable the settings and select a version. To get the site key and the secret key, follow the guide there. I'll do an example with reCaptcha v2. Sign up for an API key pair with my Google account. Select the version for my API key pair, fill in my domain and accept terms of service. That's pretty much it. Now simply move the key to the plugin settings accordingly, and it's active, and customers have to verify before subscribing. This settings page controls which page the coupon box pop-up works on. Enable the home page option to make coupon box works on home page only, or use conditional tag to make it work on specific pages. Find specific instruction in this link. Below are some common tags. However, settings in this page are not applied to coupon box shortcode. With this function, you can customize the coupon box pop-up all you want. Click Go to Design. To modify the specific element you desire, simply click on the Edit button associated with it. Then, you will be directed to its personalized customization settings. You can opt for a different template in the layout settings. Tailor the appearance of the pop-up before or after the subscription process. Choose whether to display or hide the coupon after a successful subscription. Give your customers the opportunity to see and follow your social media profiles by showcasing them on the pop-up. Toggle the visibility of the coupon box pop-up icon. Activate custom field and explore many more customization options. Apart from using the pop-up, you have the flexibility to showcase the coupon box anywhere on your website. By utilizing a shortcode, you can easily obtain the shortcode by referring to our comprehensive documentation. Within our documentation, you will find in-depth information about all available arguments. All you need to do is copy the shortcode and make the necessary adjustments by adding the supported arguments as per your requirements. Afterward, insert it into your preferred location. I'll give it a try on the cart page. Let's see the outcome.